Hey everyone, welcome to ShopSmart, the channel where I help you make smart choices without wasting your money. Today, we're diving into this full review of the ZYZCLES Hi-Fi Coaxial Car Speakers Upgraded Premium 6.5 inches. If you're tired of the flat, lifeless sound from your factory car speakers and want to know if these can turn your drive into something special, you're in the right place. We'll answer the big questions. Is it good? Is it worth it? Oh, and the product link is in the description below. Check it out for details. If you love honest reviews that save you time and cash, subscribe to ShopSmart now and hit the bell so you don't miss any valuable tips. Let's start with the basics in this review. These are the ZYZCLES 6.5-inch coaxial speakers, model K608, sold as a pair. They deliver a max power of 1000 W and 250 W RMS with 4 ohm impedance, making them compatible with most car audio systems. The frequency response ranges from 62 Hz to 20 kZ, and sensitivity is 91 decibels, which means they pick up details that regular speakers miss. The tweeters are 13mm mylar dome for clear highs, the woofer is woven glass fiber for a more robust sound, and the rubber surround is heat resistant to prevent cracking in extreme temperatures. The reinforced grille protects against accidental damage, and the materials are moisture resistant and anti-aging for long-lasting life. They're not waterproof, but great for car audio, motorcycle, or even home use. In the box, you get a power cable, and the audio output mode is stereo. Now, let's talk installation in this review, and this is key for anyone thinking about buying. The terminals are solder-free with clear polarity markings, making setup quick and hassle-free. They fit well into 4 ohm systems, and the Captain voice coil and ferrite magnet provide a stable magnetic field with high temperature resistance, enhancing overall performance. On durability, these speakers are built to last. The rubber surround handles extremes without issues, and the reinforced grille prevents damage. Users report they outperform stock speakers, revealing details in your favorite songs you never noticed before. With 8 months of replacement warranty and 24/7 expert support, you've got peace of mind. On Amazon, they have 4.5 stars from 87 reviews and rank in the top 17 for car coaxial speakers. That shows a lot of people trust them. If you're enjoying this detailed breakdown and want more reviews like this on ShopSmart, give it a like right now. It helps me bring you content that's truly worth your time. Let's get to what matters most in this review, the sound quality. These ZYZCLES promise to transform your drive into a concert hall experience, and based on the specs, they deliver hi-fi sound with rich details. The glass fiber woofer and mylar tweeters create a balanced soundstage with bass, mids, and highs that beat the flat sound of stock speakers. The 91 decibel sensitivity means more volume and clarity without distortion. They're versatile, perfect for car audio, but also for motorcycles or home theater, parties, and travel. Imagine cruising while hearing nuances in your music that make you rediscover your tracks. That's what users highlight. With 1000-watt peak power, they handle high volumes well, and the coaxial design ensures wide dispersion. Is it good? Based on these features, yes, especially if you're after an affordable upgrade that elevates your audio without the fuss. Every product has its sides, and in this honest review, let's cover the pros and cons. Pros: impressive 250 W RMS and 1000 W max power, durable materials like glass fiber and heat-resistant rubber, easy installation and broad compatibility. The high sensitivity and 62 Hz to 20 kZ frequency bring detailed, immersive sound. An 8-month replacement warranty with 24/7 support adds real value. On Amazon, they have 4.5 stars from 87 reviews and rank in the top 17 for car coaxial speakers. That shows a lot of people trust them. If you're enjoying this detailed breakdown and want more reviews like this on ShopSmart, give it a like right now. It helps me bring you content that's truly worth your time. So, wrapping up this review, the ZYZCLES Hi-Fi Coaxial Car Speakers Upgraded Premium 6.5 are a solid choice for better car sound. Is it good? Yes, with specs that offer durability and hi-fi audio. Is it worth it? Definitely for the price and versatility. If this helped you decide, the product link is in the description, and if you buy through it, that really supports my work here on YouTube, helping me keep creating these reviews on ShopSmart. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more smart buying guides, and let me know in the comments, what audio upgrade are you considering? See you next time.